So we've got, obviously, you know, whatever roof type you've got, we can mount on. Another thing as well, flat roofs. We run into a lot of flat roofs, especially on like commercial. You know, if you guys know anyone with business as well, we do commercial work. We're doing a hotel actually in Dunedin now. We're going to be starting a brewery soon, and we've done some like big warehouses and stuff down like Fort Harrison way. But as far as that, different roof types as well, and you might have just had a new roof, okay? And the roof is, you know, you're like, oh, you know, is it going to void my warranty and this and that? Roof is like, yeah, void your warranty. They just say that because they don't want to deal with it. Going back to our warranties as well, like I said, you get 25 year on the 30 year on the panels, depending which brand you go with, 25 on the micro, 25 on all the rail equipment as well, and also the roof penetration warranty, you're going to get 25 years as well. A lot of companies might give you like 5 years, or you might see 10. We give 25 because if it's installed correctly, it even states on the spec sheets of the equipment that we're installing that it's a 25-year warranty. So if you're not giving a 25-year warranty on it, you just don't believe in your installers.